All right, YouTube, what's up? All right, so today's video, what we're gonna do is install soundproof on the doors. So this car is a 2019 Ford Edge, and it's already quite, pretty quiet inside, but nonetheless, I still love music and I love to hear the music. So installing soundproof is another way to, just quiet the car a little bit more. And so I already got this handle, door, window control module off here. This guy's a bear to take off, so getting started down here under the door. There's two 9/32 screws. So you want to take those off here. There's one right here, the other right here, and then this guy here is a bear, man, to take off. So it's got the little plastic pins there, these two plastic pins that go down inside in there, and those guys there. And so you got to take your little plastic knife here, prop it in there, and then kind of pull it up. I had to use a screwdriver because that guy was really tough. Anyway, so once you pull it off, disconnect the cable connector there, disconnect that guy, and you got a 10mm nut in there. And then we'll take this little cover off, and there's a 10mm in there as well. I already did the doors on the other side, so we're gonna complete the doors on the passenger side here. So with that, let me take off these 2 10mm off, and I'll show you how to install the soundproofing. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got my soundproofing here all cut out, and it's gonna go here on the door. So now there's a couple of things that you have to do. So first of all, where your door panel goes in, the little holes here where the plastic pins go in to hold it, you have to make sure that you cut them out and have room for them to go in. And then also for these lines, like you have the door handle cable, and then all these other wires and stuff, you want to make sure that you cut, so that way you don't go over them, right? And I'll show you how that works here in a little bit after I get this mounted on here. See, I've already got it all cut out and stuff, so I can't show you. I only have it's only myself doing this, and I can't hold the phone and do it all. So just wanted to show you how I did it, and I'll show you here in a minute once it's all done. Sooner or later we'll do a video on replacing the speakers here. These are the stock Bang & Olufsen speaker system here, but it's okay. But for my taste, I'm gonna change it up here soon. But all right, here we go. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, here we go. So we got it all on there. So as you can see here, got the cutout for the door panel pins that go in. The outers, okay, got them all covered. Down on the bottom, around the speaker, we're looking good. Got the little hole there, that's where the pin goes, and that's where the other two pins go. Might put a little bit up here at the top, but yeah, you see how we got the cutouts here for the door cable, for the door handle cable, and then for your controls, window control. So you got all these guys all cut out. So yeah, that's what I meant. You just kind of want to cut it out so that way the wires are exposed and we're not covering them. And so yeah, pretty nice. Should make it a lot more quiet. enjoy your music. So yeah, it's basically the same thing for all the doors. They're pretty much exact. You know, just pull off the door panel, cut out your soundproof to fit your door. Make sure you're not obstructing the holes where your door panel mounts, and you should be good to go, man. This stuff is great. I'll leave a link in the description. Got it off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap. All right, I'll put the door panel back and show you how it looks. All right, man. All right, you guys. So got it all back together here. The door panel aligns perfectly. Up and down all around. All right. And just remember a couple of things. So when you're putting this guy back, make sure to pull up the cable that plugs in for your window here. Don't do like me. I left it down there, put the door panel on, had to take it back off so I can pull the wire back up. So yeah, pull up your cable, make sure it comes up so you can connect it to your control here. And this guy is a little tricky. You have to slip it in on the back side first, and you'll feel it. It'll just kind of snap, you know, slip back, and then you can snap it in. Because if it doesn't snap in all the way down inside in here, and you close this up, your door handle is not going to work, right? It's going to get jammed up. So make sure that, you know, this little cap here, you pull it up from this side here. The pins are right here, but back here there's little guide pins that you just kind of slide in, so that way, you know, your handle here is free to move. Otherwise it gets jammed up. Yep, found that out the hard way. But cool. Yeah, essentially all doors will pretty much be the same exact thing. Already did the other side, so I just got the back door here to do. I'll be doing this guy next, but again, it's pretty much exactly the same process for all the doors. All right, and then I'll show you here the back here in a little bit. Once I get this guy together, I'll show you the back. I also put soundproof down here on the bottom where the tire goes. And I'll show you. Got a bunch of crap in here now, so I'll clean it all up and then I'll show you how it looks down there. So yeah, get it nice and quiet. Cool. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. As promised, here's what the soundproofing looks like here at the bottom cargo area. So I took off all these storage bins, took off the spare tire, and then just placed it down underneath. Again, you have to cut out areas where your storage bins, you know, lock in place. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Deaden the sound here and get it a lot quieter. I mean, like I said, it's already pretty quiet to begin with, but for me, you know, I just want to soundproof it as much as I can for the tunes. You know, get ready to put a nice sound system in here, and just want to prep it. But yeah, that's what it looks like here. I haven't done anything behind here in the panels. I'm not sure exactly how to take it off. It looks like it's quite a bit of work to do that, but maybe once I replace the subwoofer, you know, we can put some soundproofing back there. But yep, pretty cool, man. And that about does it. So all 4 doors are done. The rear is done. Nice little project, man. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for the soundproofing that I use here. It's pretty good stuff. And you should be good to go. Cool. Peace out, you guys.